Welcome to Wagwan Dancehall with Lex, me the best of the best and the real of the real, and happy International Woman Day. We set the trend. Yeah. Starting off International Women's Day right, Shantia has come in number 15 in the Billboard's 100 chart. If you haven't seen already, Spice released a little trailer clip for Love and Hip Hop Atlanta with 2 Truths and a Bluff. You can check that out right here.
I used to live in London. I went to school there for a while, and it's my second hometown. So that's the truth. When Alicia Keys came to Jamaica to do her remix with Baby Sean, that's exactly what she told me. Of course, that's a bluff. You know I have a crush on Barack Obama, but he didn't slap my ass.
The music talent definitely runs through the Gully Gods family stream. His daughter, Sky Diamond, has released her first music single called All Eyes on Me. Here's a sneak peek of that.
Hello? You know, see the team up, them can't beat us. Tell some punk artists who try keep up. Can't lead us, nor defeat us. Come on, God from me, a little fetus. You know, see them need us, I try creep up. Right now, me and the female Jesus. Me no trust them like Peter. Come and style them, cause it like Reebok. You know, see me style them, shot like Matic. And my lyrics them sharp like Ratchet.
Shaggy and Sting are now going to be having a tour. They came together to make a single but ended up making an entire album.
Don't make me wait, baby now, won't make me wait. What I say, yeah. Don't make me wait, baby now, won't make me wait.
But that is it for Wagwan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment and goodies. Stay good.